The Asta Product Suite by Eleco is a collection of products to help with construction project scheduling. The heart of what we do is Asta Powerproject, which is a desktop Gantt chart-driven project scheduling tool that allows you to build up complex construction schedules to reflect the activities that are required to be delivered on site. They can be a simple level or go into real detail as what needs to be done. Now we can then put extra information on top of that core task data, such as the resources that are needed, the people, the plant, the machinery, and the costs that are associated either with those resources or even just from generic cost centres. So all of this builds up a period of time information, both the tasks, the people and the costs, modelling that over time. Now that's the easy bit, getting that plan structured in the first place, but then keeping that plan alive, monitoring and changing and adapting to change is where the real power comes from. So in an ideal world, we'll just deliver exactly what we plan. Clearly that isn't the reality of the UK construction sector. So the ability to capture change and what's caused change, and we profile our work based on those changes, becomes an important task for us to manage. Bringing in project progress, what's actually happened on site. We have a mobile tool that allows you to capture photos and notes, as well as tick sheets as what's happened on site. Bring that into the project plan and make those changes based on the data you're getting from the real world. And we can also visualize all of this by using three-dimensional models. We bring in an IFC file into Asta Powerproject to create a 4D planning environment. We can link up the parts of the model with the activities in the Gantt chart, so we now have an intuitive view of what is going to happen and when, and that model can be animated. Those animations can vary based on the changes as well. So now we're building this whole picture, starting from task information and building up extra layers of data on top. If you're interested in talking to us further about the Asta Suite, please do send us an email or visit our website, eleco.com.